Hello and welcome everybody. We are going to continue with the Ttc Truck, the Tough Truck Challenge. Gonna make some drive shafts. I already made this one, kind of. As you can see, it's welded together over here again. I just got the piece in between out and welded it back together. I'm gonna do the same thing to this other one. I'm gonna grind it to length and then I'm gonna weld it back together. So that's what we're gonna do now in this video. I already welded the shock mounts as well. As you can see, it's all welded in already. It's not perfect, it's the alignment that needs a little bit of adjustment. So I'm gonna do that as well, but I'm not sure if I'm be able to do that today. So we will see how far we will get, and that will be it for this video. So let's continue with the